2 cup of wheat flour, 1/4 cup of besan or gram flour, 1/4 cup of dahi, 2 tablespoons of oil. Any oil you can use, refined oil. Instead of oil you can use ghee. 2 tablespoons of Kasturi methi, 1 teaspoon of turmeric, 1 teaspoon of red chilli powder, 1 teaspoon of jeera powder, 1 teaspoon of dhaniya powder, and salt for your taste. I am using here cottage cheese water. You can use plain water instead of this. Let's make a dough out of it. Now the dough is ready. Rest it for 10 minutes. Take a small ball of dough and roll it with the help of rolling board and pin. Use some sukha atta for dusting so that it will not stick. Make it this much thin as you can see and just put it to the hot tawa, low flame. Now it's ready. You can have it with dahi, achar or sabzi.